This is Irontrader. Now the pit's closed here at 2:30. That was about, I don't know, about 12 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now we can just see here, boy, it's man out the window time, but the old crude ski. I'm short with the SCO, and I'm still staying short here. I'm going to see what the futures bring here when it reopen here at 6 p.m. tonight and trade till 8 o'clock tonight. Okay, now OPEC had their meeting, and they're going to extend their actual cuts all the way till September of 2025. Okay, so that is what everybody is looking at. It looks like pretty good as of yesterday. But however, when you read all the details, they had volunteer cuts, okay, like from Russia and all these other countries, and they're going to try to weed them out here this fall. Okay, that's why crude's just coming right off, right, just unglued here. So all the regular cuts are going to be maintained again till the end of September of 2025, but the volunteer cuts, they're going to run them all the way through the summer here, but once fall comes, then they're going to start getting rid of that, and they could be adding about 6 million barrels a day here on top of this here come fall. So be very, very careful here with the old crude ski. Now, what we're looking for, just like I always had here, we have a series here of lower highs and lower lows, never good. Same way here. Now, when we came in this morning, watched the video, you can see we had a green candle, almost like a bottoming candle. However, once you lost this key level right here, that's 76.15, and I'm going to show you on the weekly when you lost that 200-day, boom, it's man out the window time. You got to go short. Now, what we're looking for here is a reversal candle. Again, just like this here, okay, just like right here, like right here. There's no particular look to it right there. Okay, see right there? See all these reversal candles? That's what we're looking for right now. But right now, we do not have it. Okay. Today's low, 73 on 98. So what we want to do is we want to go right here to the left. Here's all our support levels right here. Okay, so your next level is 73.56. Next level there, 73.23. Your next support is going to be 72.38. Then we're going to come right down to this candle here. You're looking at 71.79, and then we'll look at that reversal candle at 71.41. We bring that price channel right across. Now again, if it keeps on going, what you're going to be looking for here is going to be 71.23, and then this reversal candle right here at 70.50. Okay, come bring in this candle, that price channel right across, and then we can come down to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 70.13. That's that price channel, and then we'll bring this channel right here right across. You're looking at 69.28, and then you can actually go right down to this candle here, this level here, 68.22, and then we could come all the way here at 67.71. So all you have to do is start here and follow the candles until we see a reversal candle like we have here, where it comes all the way down and it looks like it's going to go lower, and then it starts running up and the candle turns green. Then you look at this positive area. See this? See that positive here off those candles? See that? Boom. And it keeps right on going all the way through. But we do not have that. And as I pointed out last week, we do not have a reversal candle. We have a big ass red candle, and that is not good. Not good at all. So let's just say if this reverses, then you want to look at to the upside. Well, you got to do just the opposite of what we did before. So you're sitting right now here about 74.13. Then we're going to be looking here for this 75.52 level. That's going to be your next target. And then we're going to come right up here. We're going to be looking for that 76.15 level, that price channel, and then we just follow it all the way back up again here. Okay, so you look at the low, that's 76.67 here. You got this level here. You got 76.89. But this is what you'd be looking for then, is that 8 estimate at 77.59, that 21-day at 78.36, and then we can go to the Ohondo there at 79.16, and then your 200-day is sitting at 79.88. Now again, just because you have this, that doesn't mean that's the end-all be-all, okay? However, you lost all the support level here, okay? So here's where we had the big red candle, and then we had another red candle, but we held that 50-day. But see, we don't have that now. So all these levels here, you know, your 8 simple moving average, your 21, your 50, your 100, your 200 is now all above the price. And that's going to be very, very tough to get through. Not saying you can't get through, because look at here, But what we're doing is just looking for this reversal candle here now. But so far, we just do not have it. So I'm staying short until we start getting some kind of signs that we have a reversal. Right now, we just don't have it. So you want to watch those futures here at 6 p.m. to see exactly what we got here. So watch today's low, that's 73.98. That's going to be very, very key. Watch that high, 77.52, and that 74.12. That's that closing number. Now, when we look at your RSI here, well, you're hitting right down here in the oversold territory. However, it can go lower, no question. Look at your MACD, okay, your green cross the red, that's a sell signal. That is going to go, that looks like it go lower. Look at here, it could come all the way down to here. So you want to have that green above the red, that's a bullish cross. Once you get that, then you know it's a buying opportunity. But right now, we do not have that. Okay, let's take a look here on a weekly. Okay, here we have the old weekly chart. Now, everything realistically is based right here on this 200 SMA, okay? See that? Okay, that's not really good. I can't really see it myself, okay? Let me just see here if I can pull that in a little bit better. Yeah, okay, this will be better, okay. So here we have is this 200 SMA here. You're looking at a 75.96. That is going to be the key. Now you can see here where we were trying to do a W pattern, but you just couldn't get above, okay? So now we just got a series here of these lows here. So this is like never good. So now what you got is you got that 200 SMA here that we got to get above here, and then we have your 21-day, your 50-day. Everything here just does not look good at all. But again, look how many times that we've hit it, that 200-day, but we got to see if we can get above that on a closing basis. That is going to be very, very key. Right now, I should say I'm short. I'm long the SCO, which is short crude oil. I'm sticking with it here. I'm going to see what happens in the futures bring. And actually, I'm looking for another lower low tomorrow, some kind of reversal candle here to take crude back up here to the upside. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, there was some really good trading here, actually, in the natural gas. Now, UNG, I am still long, and I have a stop here that is sitting right here at 1888. I raised the stop up here now, and I'm sitting at about 1855 is what I'm keeping a little bit looser stop here because this had a real reversal here off that 8 simple moving average. Now, if you watch my video there at noontime, you can see how that candle was just like one big stick, okay? And it came right on down. It was holding it, but you notice that it did hold the 8-day, and then it just started rallying up again, okay? So where we are sitting right now on natural gas is sitting about 2.75. So all I got to do is just look over here to the left here, okay? So right now, 2.79, that is going to be your next target here on the upside. Right here, if you look here, 2.756, that's pretty much where we are right now, okay? So that's your resistance level. Just look to the left of the chart, then you know where it's going, okay? So then what we're looking for, if it keeps going up here, is 2.79, and then you're going to be looking for 2.85, and then your big retest there at 2.92. Again, if it breaks out above that, you're looking for 2.96. Now, as long as that 8-day holds, this is good, okay? Now, you can see where the 8-day was rolling over, and now she kind of rolled right back up here. We've got to see if it's going to hold. Now, again, if that 8-day is lost here, just come to the bottom of that candle. You're looking at 2.56. We come to the bottom of this candle, 2.51. And then what we're looking for here is this 50 SMA here on your weekly chart, which is basically 2.5. And then we have 2.48 below that. And then we have your 200-day at 2.45. But right now, I'm just scalping long because we're holding the 8-day. That's why I'm long. Okay, because when it went all the way up here, that was a nice scalp on the way up here this morning. And then I take it off, and I told you, like at midday trading, I had no position. And then it came down, and then it started just rallying right back up here again. So I'm going to show you on a 5-minute here how really nice, what a good scalping stock this is. So downside, watch that 8 SMA. Realistically, if that's lost here, just follow the 2.56. We follow this candle here, 2.52, and then that 2.50 is what you're looking for. Now, on a weekly here, you definitely want to have, this is like a tweezer top here, came down, it was looking pretty sticky here, but we made a lower low here so far. But again, if you can start breaking above this 2.85 and break above that 2.92, well, then we can just head right up to that 3 mark here very, very easily, okay? All right, let's take a look here on a 5-minute chart. Okay, here we have your 5-minute chart. Okay, very, very nicely. Okay, so here was the opportunity right here. Okay, so you can see how it came right on down here, and then right there you had that green candle when you put it in a higher situation, and you got above the 8-day. That was the long this morning here that you take. Okay, now when you see this green candle, which is fine, but when you see that red with a lower high, that means you got to sell, and that's what I did. Got out of it. Okay, this morning here. Now see, it went right underneath the 8 SMA here. Now it came all the way down here, but I didn't like these small green candles. See how this green just engulfed all those candles right there? So once it got above that 8 SMA, that told me to take the trade to go long. But when it gets below that 8 SMA, you don't want to do that. But right here, there was no clear sign, okay? And then we had a nice big green candle. I'm thinking, did I miss it? No. What I did is I waited for this here to come down to the 21 day. And now when you look at that green candle, that's where I took the long right there on the UNG. Okay, again, and then it just went right up here, and now she's holding very, very nicely. Okay, so there was 2 opportunities right here, okay, to get long. So I always say, well, let it come down, okay, and then let it retest. Now, we retested here a little bit higher, okay, but if you look at this pole here and you look at these little candles, this is a perfect bull flag situation that tells you you get a candle like this, she's going to rip higher. Okay, so again, if you want to know a little bit more about candlesticks or chart patterns, go right on my playlist. I got everything listed right there. I look at it myself once a week just to keep it fresh. So it's all right there. And then way you could get that situation. This was a little bit tougher, but what we had is once you have that green candle that engulfs all those previous candles here and gets above that 8 SMA, that's a good time to get in. But again, when you start seeing that red candle right next to the green one, that's the time you just got to get the hell out. Now, again, if it ran higher, so what? You got the money from here to there. Big deal, okay? That's how you got to look at it. There's always another trade coming around. But when it's underneath the 8 SMA, let it just stay. But this here was a nice bull flag going on here. That there was the buying opportunity, and then we're going to take it right on up here. So I'm still holding the UNG here long, and I'm going to see how that's all going to shake right out. Now, here on natural gas, you want to watch this 8 SMA. That's at 2.76, and then we want to ride on the downside. And the upside, you want to watch that 2.769. Okay, that is your price channel here. You break above that, and then we can go right back here to retest that level right there at that 2.799. Very, very easily. However, we got to see how this is all gonna shake out here. That's why I got to stop. Okay, so if this happens to fall down, I don't really care. I got the money all the way from here to there. I got the money from here to there, and that's all what we're here for. Okay, that's what I got for you. A little crude, a little natty. I'll be back tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. Another stock button, just real quick, is watch this NVIDIA. Now remember, this thing splits 10 for 1 on the 7th, I believe, which is Friday, and that's been a really good. I scalped that thing 3 times there today, and a lot of money in the pocket off of old NVIDIA. Now it's going to be even nicer because now it's going to be like a $100 stock versus $1,100 stock. So it should be a lot of people are going to come and want to get in play with that. Okay, thanks for watching.